Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to share with you our 4-step process. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Donnie D here, owner of Donnie D's Tile and Remodeling LLC out of Central New Jersey. And like I was saying earlier, today we're going to discuss with you our 4-step process. Let's get into it. Okay, step 1. I'm going to need pictures and maybe even a video of the project. That way I can see what you see. That's step 1. Step 2. Step 2, we're going to grab a phone call. We're going to discuss the project, make sure that I can help you, make sure that we're a good fit, and discuss what the project may cost and what it will take to get done in your situation. That's step 2. Step 3, we're going to do an on-site consultation. On-site consultation, we're going to come out over there, we're going to make sure everything is lined up. We're both on the same page, the budget is still right where we said it was going to be. If there's any changes that we need to make, we can make them then. And we're going to bring out the contract, and we're going to get a signature and a down payment and get your job on the schedule. That's step number 3, the on-site consultation. Step number 4, well, we're going to do your job. We're going to get that job done for you efficiently, on time, and within the budget that we discussed, and enjoy your beautiful new bathroom or shower for years to come. Thanks again, Donnie D, signing off.